Okay everybody, welcome back to QuickPix. This is Alvin. On today's episode, we're going to recreate the Wanda Vision poster. So, a few days ago, a good friend of mine, Larry ASAP Walker, came to me. He said, man, listen, I need to book a shoot with you. I said, okay, let's do it. What do you want to do? He said, man, I want to do something that I can express my personality with. And anybody that knows anything about Larry ASAP Walker, just from the size of his legs, we know that he's half man, half marble. So in an effort to honor his request, I said, man, let's do it. You guys know how this goes. Let's get those layers in the box and make this thing work. But first, are you aware that with all 6 stones, I can simply snap my finger and put this composite together? Hey, turn the lights back on. I'm trying to record a QuickPix. Thank you for watching QuickPix. Until the next time, stay marvelous.